How to send and receive crypto for free. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can send and receive crypto with the minimum fee. So let's get started. First, what I want you guys to do is simply go to Binance.com. Binance is world's leading crypto platform where we can buy, trade, and sell cryptocurrencies. But do you know that Binance allows us to actually send and receive crypto with $0 fee? So this is one of the platforms that you should definitely check out. Once you get to Binance, this is where you will get. Now, Binance.com has a lot of different options for us and it's really famous. We can also buy crypto on Binance and we can also send and receive crypto very easily. When it comes to crypto and sending and receiving crypto, we actually want to make the process as simple as possible and not complicate things at all. So Binance makes it easy for us to simply trade in crypto, sell and buy crypto. How to actually get started? You can simply go to Binance.com and then click on register option given on the website. So to sign up, all you have to do is sign up with your phone number or email, or you can sign up with your Google or Apple. I will click on sign up with phone and email. And after that, you have to enter your email address, enter your password. If you have any referral ID, you can add it right here. And then you have, I have read agree and I agree to Binance. Click on create account. We also have phone number option if you want to go with this one. You select your code from here and after that you enter your phone number. You will enter your password. And again, click on this option and click on create account. Keep in mind that you will have to verify your email address and verify your phone number in order to get started with Binance. So don't add any email that does not match with your name or phone number that is wrong. Once you get to Binance, you will be able to simply create an account and enjoy trading crypto on Binance. Let's go ahead and check out the different rates on Binance. When it comes to sending and receiving crypto on Binance, we want to know the Binance rates. That how Binance works and what are the current rates. Well, you can see right here, all of the coins are available on Binance and they have their own rate. Of course, the rate depends on the current price of that coin. And right now, the market is way too low. Bitcoin is just $5,000 at the time of making this video. So, well, according to this, the pricing will be different. You can see right here, we have BNB, which is Binance own currency. So we usually actually send and receive money in BNB. Then we have Solana. Then we have Gal right here, Nexo, FIDA, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. So these are the different coins given here. And then we have all cryptos here, such as USDT, BNB, BUSD. Then we have Solana, Doji, Todd, Matic, LTC, Near, Atom, BCH, AP, Mana, AVAXS, and MKR. ZEC. So all of the coins are given here and I can now trade and buy these coins. Keep in mind that this video is not a financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, buying and selling in crypto involves a high degree of risk and whether you afford to lose money. So you have to select the coin of your choice. I'm just giving you a tutorial on Binance. That being said, now let me show you how we deposit our funds and how we can add credits to our Binance. I will go to buy crypto and go to bank deposit. So this is where you will simply deposit money on Binance. So you have to select the currency and in currency you can go with any of these, the ones available. We have JPG, USD, Euros. Then we have Australian dollar, Brazilian real. Then we have Ukrainian, Philippines, and then we have USD right here. After that, you can see bank transfer, zero fee. This is what I'm talking about, that Binance allows you to send and receive crypto with no charge and you can do it for free. So you can see bank transfer has zero fee right here. Then what you will do is you will click on the deposit crypto option and it will allow you to enter your bank details where you have to enter your SWIFT code and you will enter more of the information and simply deposit your money. We can also check our history from here, and it will show me how many times I have actually deposited money or bought crypto. Let's say that you want to buy and sell crypto with your credit card, or you want to trade. In order to do that, you will go to buy crypto with debit card and credit card. And now I'll show you what is the fee here. So let's go ahead and buy. Right now, 1 BTC is 22,000 from here. This is the rate. We have to enter an amount that we want to spend. So I'm going to select USD from here as my currency. You will select your currency first. So I'm going to go with USD and enter the USD I want to spend. Let's go with 20,000 and it will make 0.87 BTC. So you can see right here, and I can enter any of the different coin from here, the one that I want to receive. Let's go with Ethereum. So with this one, I will be able to actually get Ethereum. Okay, I'm gonna again change my amount. I am willing to spend 20,000. And I will be getting 13 Ethereum in return. If I scroll down, then you will be able to see recurring buy Ethereum for 3 years got 288 ROI, and they're giving me more information. So this is the rate on Binance, and it will allow me to receive Ethereum really easily. You can see 1 Ethereum is almost 1,000 right now. When it comes to selling crypto, then I will be able to send crypto really easily with again entering my amount here and then entering what I want to receive. Keep in mind the fee is going to be very low, or there is going to be no fee. That is why I wanted to show you Binance. That Binance is one of the most easiest platform out there to use in order to send and receive crypto for free. Binance also has a lot of other options for us, such as our trading options, where we get spot trading, margin trading, P2P, strategy, swap, fan token, and Binance OTC. Then there are different derivatives where we get our futures and tokens. In Binance Earn, we will be able to actually make money with Binance. And then there's an NFT marketplace too, where the Binance rates are pretty good, and we will be able to send and receive crypto really easily and with the lowest fee. Once you have an account in Binance, then you can enjoy all of the different features given here. You can go to buy crypto, and then we also have P2P trading and third-party trading. It also allows you to send and receive crypto with the lowest fee or no fee. Even with the third party, you will be able to actually find a lot of different options, and it will allow you to receive crypto with the minimum charge, and you will be able to simply increase your assets. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below what was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. And now you know how to use Binance, how to sign up, and how you can send and receive money for free. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.